All right, folks. Here comes San Joaquin train 710. Your southbound destination of this train is Bakersfield. Get ready to pass through my hometown. This is it. Here she comes now. I know it's leading this one. Cabcar. Woo! 69, 61. Woo! Oh, it's winning. SC44, 2107. Woohoo! Sweet. There she goes. South to Bakersfield. We'll continue on to Stockton, Modesto, Turlock-Denier, Merced, Madera, Fresno, Hanford, Corcoran, Wasco. Final destination of this train is Bakersfield. At Bakersfield Station, there are bus connection services towards Southern California, including Union Station in downtown LA. Sweet. That's it. Live in my hometown, Oakley, folks. Thank you all for watching. I'm out. Till next time. See ya.